Welcome to Storytelling for Kids. Today, we have an exciting story about a little character named Milo and his adventure with momentum. Are you ready to join us? Let's begin.
Hi, everyone. I'm Milo, and I love to explore and learn new things. Today, I want to tell you all about momentum. But what is momentum? Let's find out. Imagine you have a toy car, and you give it a little push. It starts to roll down the hill. That's momentum. Momentum is the force that makes things keep moving when you give them a push. Wow, look at the car go. It keeps moving and moving because of its momentum. But did you know that anything can have momentum? Yes, even you. When you run and jump, you have momentum too. You use your legs to push off the ground, and it makes you move forward. Just like the toy car, your momentum helps you keep moving. Hey Lily, let's have a race and see who can run the fastest. But remember, we need to use our momentum to keep going.
I'm ready, Milo. Let's do it.
Milo and Lily raced with all their might, using their momentum to keep them going. They ran faster and faster, with big smiles on their faces.
Yay, we did it, Lily. We used our momentum to keep us moving and finish the race.
That was so much fun, Milo. Momentum really helps us do amazing things.
Remember, boys and girls, momentum is what keeps things moving when you give them a push. Just like the toy car in us when we run and jump.
So, if you ever feel like you can't do something, remember that you have the power of momentum inside you. Just keep going and you'll achieve great things.
That's right, Lily. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and always remember the power of momentum.
Thank you for joining us on this exciting adventure with Milo and Lily. Remember, momentum is a powerful force that helps us keep moving forward. Stay tuned for more fun and educational stories at Storytelling for Kids. Goodbye for now, and see you next time.